Hi lovelies, would you like to see how I created this sunny warm eyeshadow look using this absolutely stunning eyeshadow palette from Estee Lauder? Please keep watching. Hi guys, Ange here. Thanks so much for joining me and welcome to my channel. If you are interested in tips and reviews for the more mature girl, this is the channel for you. I have a penchant for more higher end and luxury makeup. In this video, I'm going to show you this gorgeous palette that I showed you in a recent haul, and I will leave a link to that video here. And I got this palette from Nordstrom. It is still available and it retails for $46.75 US. The packaging probably is what sucker punched me the most. It is stunning. Who wouldn't want to pull this palette out and have a wee touch up out of their handbag? I know that's a wee bit over the top, but it is stunning. It has a beautiful mirror on the inside, and the colours on the inside are beautiful and sunny and warm. Now this palette is from the Estee Lauder's Bronze Goddess range, and it is the Desert Heat eyeshadow palette, and this is a limited edition palette. As I said, still available at Nordstrom. I will leave links down below. I am loving these warm colours. You may be familiar that I did a recent tutorial, once again I'll leave the link here, using the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, and these have these warm sunny shades in here as well. So similar, not the same. There's a lot more options in the Natasha Denona palette. But if you're wanting something more pared down and simple in similar tones, this is a really good option. And as I said, you can't go past the beautiful packaging. I know, shallow, but that is something that really did entice me. So if you would like to see how I created this look using this stunning palette, please keep watching. Okay guys, so this palette is just stunning. The packaging is incredible and the colours inside are just as adorable, and I love my warm colours. So I have primed my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape. I've set it with loose setting powder, and let's get started. So to start off with, I'm going to take my Zoeva Luxe Crease brush in number 228, and I'm going to go in with this transition shade and take that in my upper crease. And I'm just blending that in the hood part of my eye. So if I look straight ahead, I'm going above my lashes to try and create some shadow in the more meaty part of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this center or very warm orange shade, and I'm going to go in with a Sonia G Crease Pro brush, taking that colour, and I'm going to apply that in the outer portion of my eye, going into my crease, which is my natural crease, which is where you would nestle a brush around your eyeball and just doing window wiper and tiny little circles in that area. Just to warm it up. those pesky brows have headed south again. I'll brush them up when I have completed the eye look. So as you can see, I've just gone around into that crease line with that colour. Using the same brush, I'm going to try this beautiful purpley colour as well, and I'm going to take that in a very similar way that I took the orange, and I'm just going to come down a little bit lower in the crease, building with the outer area of the eye first. Now this is reminding me very much of my Sunrise palette, which I am absolutely loving. Just coming down in that crease area just a bit lower than we did with the orange. And I'm going to wrap that underneath my eye as well. It's a very unusual colour, that it looks very purple in the pan, but it has definitely got a warm tone to it, this shade, which is translating on my eyelid. I'm going to try this lighter purpley colour, and I'm going to try that with a Zoeva Luxe Eye Blender 225. I'm going to try that just on the outer third, seeing if we can add some purplish shade to the eye look. I'm going to take a Wayne Goss number 19 brush, and I'm going to take this darker brown shade and just pop that in the very outer edge of my eye. It's the darkest colour in the palette, and run that under as well. Now I have had a little bit of fallout from these colours. Going back in with the lighter purpley shade and just adding that in again on top of that brown. I'm now going to go in with a very nondescript brush, and I'm going to take this lighter shade here, which is a shimmery shade. We'll try it dry first. And that is perfect for what I want, and I'm just adding that in the front portion of my eye. Another look that I think is quite nice on my brown eyes. Going back with the very first brush that I had, the Zoeva 228, yes it is, and just softening those edges along the top. Wowee, they're quite nice colours. So that's the eye look. So far, I'm going to duck off camera, do my eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I lined the upper waterline with my black NARS Via Veneto eyeliner and applied some mascara. What do you think of this eyeshadow look? I think the colours are really stunning, and I think they're colours that would be really nice in the summer months and the warmer months. Of course, it is winter here in New Zealand and quite cold, but I do feel I would be able to bust these colours out and enjoy this palette a lot in the summer months. I also think that they're very flattering on my brown eyes. What do you think? I would love to hear in the comments down below whether you like this look or not. I think it's quite nice. Okay guys, if you would like to see any other videos from me showing eyeshadow looks or makeup looks, please feel free to tap or click on either of these links here, and that will give you more videos that you can see from me. If you did enjoy that guys, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And if you would like to see more videos from me, more eye makeup tutorials or other videos, please feel free to tap or click on either of these links here, and they will take you to some more videos. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later guys, bye.